just have a couple more steps to take and you can have 50 to 100 reviews on a product right away. So it looks like there's already a lot of people purchasing from your store. All right, you guys, in this video, we're gonna be talking about the top applications inside of the Shopify App Store that can really help you turn your store into a profit machine, okay? So in this video, there's not a lot of applications that you guys need to go out and buy, but there are some very specific ones that we ourselves use on our store and that we're gonna recommend to you guys because of when you weigh the cost of the application versus the income that it actually brings you in, it's normally a dramatic difference. So inside of your Shopify store, if you click on apps on the left-hand side, you can click on customize your store. And that is going to bring you to the Shopify App Store. And this is where there are tons of different applications that you guys can actually apply to your store and utilize. So again, if you find stuff that works for you, that is fantastic. But I just wanted to break down a small list of apps that we have had major success with and we think would be also a benefit to you guys. And again, Viva Reviews is the first one, okay? This is our review app of Sell the Trend. This application, as you guys can see in this image right here, what our application does is it connects with AliExpress and it basically pulls in reviews from our top suppliers. So when you're connecting your products from Sell the Trend to your store, a lot of times those are going to be top suppliers already that have a lot of reviews. So just realize that our software and our review app work hand in hand really well together. And we did that in a way to make it very easy for you guys to basically have a one click to add a product to your store. But then with the review app, just have a couple more steps to take and you can have 50 to 100 reviews on a product right away. So it looks like there's already a lot of people purchasing from your store. It instantly builds trust. And a lot of times with dropshipping stores, this step is missed. And it's why they have lower conversion rates because trust becomes a factor. If you're a new business and a new brand, it is very important that it appears as though you've been in business for a while. Otherwise, it may be difficult for people to actually pull out their credit card and make that decision if they don't trust you as a real storefront. So this actually forces that to actually make it appear as though you do have that success rate already, and it's going to build trust into your business. Now, the next app that we recommend is called One Click Upsell by Zipify. All right, this is by Ezra Firestone. If you guys haven't heard of him, he's massive in the industry. The reason why I like this upsell app so much is its simplicity. You guys, when it comes down to it, you can literally put this app on your store and it does a step-by-step walkthrough of your products and what you like to upsell. So again, if you are a niche specific store, which again is basically what we're teaching you guys, then let's say that you're in the health and beauty niche and you have a store that has 15 products and they are all health and beauty related. If you're advertising one product, do you guys agree that there's a likelihood that that individual that comes into your storefront for that one product probably would also like to purchase multiples of your other products? Okay, but it's important to understand that most people that come into your storefront only ever land on your product landing page. Most of them don't actually go and look through your store. What an upsell app does is if somebody goes to add an item to a cart, it then brings up another item and says, oh, hey, by the way, we also offer this, and most people that bought this item also buy this item. And so people with a click of a button can add it to their cart. Now, you can actually set up sequences to where it takes them through, oh, and if they don't choose that one, well, what about this item? So there's downsells and stuff that you can do with it as well. And there's also post-purchase upsells. The best part about this app is that once somebody puts in their credit card and actually makes a purchase, you have the ability then to bring up another item after they've already bought and show them an item at a discounted rate. And with a click of a button, it automatically pays for it because you already have their credit card information. This was the thing that blew my mind about this particular application. The amount of money that it added to our post-purchase sequence was dramatic. So when you think about $24.99 a month initially might seem like a cost to you, but if you're getting ready to actually spend money on advertising, it's always smart to have this stuff in place, because a lot of times you only need 1 or 2 additional purchases and it pays for that app for the month. But if it equates to, an additional 20 to 50 purchases a month, now all of a sudden this application is more than paying for itself. So I want you guys to not always look at things as a cost, but look at it as a potential for actually bringing in more revenue and increasing your add to cart value. Okay. Now the next one is going to be Klaviyo, which is email marketing. Okay. What Klaviyo is many of you guys know how important it is to collect email addresses, but it's also important to have your purchase sequences for emails in place. Meaning, if somebody makes a purchase, they get a thank you email. If somebody joins your newsletter, they automatically get an email. If they added an item to cart and left without purchasing, that you want to make sure that they get an abandoned cart sequence email. Klaviyo has already set up all the emails that an e-commerce store could possibly need. All you have to do is put in your logo, put in some details, click the start button, and then all of those sequences are built out for your brand automatically. And again, when you look at the cost, initially this app is free and it grows with you. So the more emails that you eventually start sending out as your store grows, you are going to start to pay a larger and larger fee. But the way that they set it up, a lot of times it's making you a lot more money than it's costing you. So again, those are things that you want to weigh as a brand as you go through this, but email marketing is an absolute must. And I've just found that Klaviyo has done an absolutely wonderful job putting it together from front to back for an e-commerce store, that it kind of makes it a no-brainer. So it's definitely one that we highly recommend to you guys. And then the final one is a currency converter. Okay. Being that many of you may be advertising all over the world with your products, Currency Converter Plus is a very simple plugin that will automatically, based on somebody's geolocation. So if they're in Australia and they come into your storefront, it automatically converts the currency with accurate currency to where they locally are. Again, that is just going to add a lot of instant trust to individuals that are shopping all over the world, that when they land on your storefront, it's in their currency. They don't have to do the conversion themselves, which means you're removing an extra step for them. So that is definitely an important thing. So I want you guys to check all of these out in the Shopify App Store. I definitely think that they are a great addition to any storefront, especially as you guys start to grow. So that's it. Those are the apps that we recommend. I hope this helps you guys. I'm very excited for you, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Check out the complete Dropshipping 360 course on Sell to Trend. The link is in the description.